Hello everybody. I wanted to show you some more of the spring florals that I was working on. These are very easy DIYs that I would actually do one of these, demonstrate how to do this if anybody's interested, but they're very simple. You just basically make a ball for the flower and then 3 up strokes to make your flower, and then take a contrasting color and make a dot in the center for the flower, and then the leaves and stems are just a sweep up with the brush, with a line brush, to make that, and then I added a little butterfly motif to it. But these pictures are great for bathrooms, for somebody who moved into a new home, for maybe a younger person, or even for an elderly person in a retirement home. They might like a cheerful little picture in their bathroom. And they also make very nice dorm pictures. And what would be great about that would be, to make something for, your daughter for their home, or a niece, or your sister, somebody going away to college, who would like a little touch from home, or for their room. And they're just so easy to do, and what a great thing to have something that you made yourself instead of just buying from box stores or online. You'll have something that you did yourself. Here's a yellow version. This is daffodils. The pink one was, I guess it could be tulips. But this is yellow daffodils, which are very popular with a lot of people, and a little butterfly motif. And I'll probably be doing some other colors in this, because these will be very easy to paint, and I expect that they'll probably sell well, a few of them in a local store or online, either one. But if you can do it yourself, it really makes it, as a gift for somebody, it makes it so much more special, for somebody to say, oh, my sister did that, or my mom did that, or my daughter did that for me. What could be better? And then going into later spring and early summer, I did this lily pond painting with a little dragonfly in it and some reeds in the background. This is also very easy to do. Sorry about the glare on the window. I need to get some better shades for my windows. I have the shade closed, but it's still very bright. But this type of picture is a lot of fun to paint. That's a little bit better. And I'll be coming back with some more that I've done as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and thank you to the new subscribers who've joined us. You're very welcome here. Goodbye for now.